You've probably seen this in a magic show. When the magician sneezes, his head suddenly drops down, making it look like he literally sneezed his head off. So what's the secret behind this trick? Let's understand it in 3D. But before we move on, if you have a heart, tap the like button, click subscribe, share this video, and comment. I love Mom. Inside his jacket, there's actually a coat hanger with the top part cut off, leaving a gap for his neck. Then 2 sticks are taped to the sides of the hanger, and their ends are connected together to form a triangle shape. When the magician sneezes, he grabs the bottom part of that triangle and pushes it upward. This lifts the shoulders of the jacket up around his ears, creating the illusion that his head suddenly dropped down.